Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about digital marketing for manufacturers. So if you have any manufacturing, OEM, CNC shops, things like that, we're going to talk about digital marketing that's most effective to get you more leads and more customers. So we'll go through the best setup, things to avoid, and tracking results. But first, separating everything for digital marketing for manufacturers, there would be PPC ads, which it stands for pay-per-click, also Google ads. So Google ads that you see at the top of Google, you can click on them, they go to your website. There's SEO, which that's fine for a long-term play, but understand it takes 3 to 6 months at least to kick in before you start seeing more traffic. And that's going to involve adjusting the content and the keywords that are on your website, maybe making a blog, making additional pages that have those keywords you want to rank for, as well as building links. So SEO is a very long process, but it can pay off long term. You just need someone that's specialized in SEO. And then social media for manufacturing companies. This doesn't always bring in the leads, but it does help you close a deal because people often will look you up online. If you have absolutely no online presence, or maybe an old website that was built 5 or 10 years ago that's just kind of been abandoned, that could actually be losing a lot of deals, even if you do things in person, trade shows, your sales team. After they talk to someone, people will often look you up online. So social media, you're not necessarily going to get new clients, but when people are looking you up, LinkedIn is a common one to have things posted there, even Facebook or something like that. Just posting some videos, some of your equipment, some of your service, just having a basic online presence. You can even post once a month so your social media isn't just dead. Just having a basic presence, or even hiring a company out to just post some things about videos are very good, testimonials, more info about your products. They can be very simple. It can be even recorded on a phone. That makes it look more authentic. You don't necessarily have to do it polished. But what we found managing for our clients, digital marketing for manufacturers to get more leads, more customers, more business, we found that PPC ads is the most effective. You can easily pivot and put more budget into it and scale it. So the most common one we see that works very well, the best setup would be Google search ads. So these are putting your ads at the top of Google when someone goes on google.com and searches specifically for manufacturing services, OEM, CNC shops, metal fabrication, whatever it is. They need a specific service related to your manufacturing company. Oftentimes they will go to Google, and it's not nearly as competitive for manufacturing because a lot of it is done with trade shows and in person. So the cost on Google isn't nearly as high as something like attorneys or home services where they have to be on Google nonstop. You can still get pretty good results for a low to mid budget. So with Google search ads, huge thing about this, you can pick which keywords you show for. So you can block keywords that don't make any sense. You can highlight the benefits of your company. You can target specific locations. So if you're doing a region around your shop, or multiple cities, zip codes, states, nationwide, or handpick 5 or 10 states, whatever you want to do, even international. If you're in US and Canada, or multiple countries at the same time, you can target different campaigns to different areas, even expand into Europe, wherever you want the ads to show. You can control that as well. And you can track everything. With the analytics, you can see exactly how many clicks you got, what people searched for, where the phone calls came from, and where the new leads came from. If someone submitted a form, they booked a call, they downloaded something, a PDF or a brochure, product info, more information, white paper, whatever it is, it tracks every single thing that's done on the website. So you can see exactly where your money is going. This is critical so you're not wasting money on the wrong types of keywords and the wrong clicks. Google search ads give you the most control by far, so you can pinpoint the exact keywords that turn into more profit for you, and then block the keywords that are irrelevant, or it's someone looking for something for their garage, or it's DIY or YouTube or something like that. You have so much more control with Google search ads, so they're a lot more profitable. So if you're finding this content useful, go ahead and like and subscribe to get more great content like this. Or if you decided you don't really want to learn how to do this yourself anymore, click on the description link below. We'll run everything for you. We'll even do a free audit, free consultation, so you can see exactly what we would do if we took over management of your account. That way you can focus on running your business rather than learning how to run ads all day. Things to avoid: you want to make sure you're staying on top of your keywords, because manufacturing digital marketing crisscrosses quite a bit with residential and DIY terms. So you want to make sure if someone's looking for CNC machines or manufacturing or lasers or water jets, all these other things, those same exact terms, they can crisscross into home usage or DIY, very small machines or small manufacturing that someone wants to, especially with 3D printing taking off. So many people are doing that at home with very cheap machines as a hobby. So you want to keep on top of your keywords. Check the search terms report is what it's called in Google, and it shows what people actually typed before they clicked on your ad. So stay on top of those. You can qualify people with your ad copy. Make sure it says industrial, or it has a certain limit, or a certain number that you'll do, or minimum, something like that. So the ad says what your capabilities are. So hopefully you can reduce how many people click on it that aren't the right people. Block out those keywords that are clearly DIY or hobby or 3D printing at home, something like that. Select your target area correctly. Make sure you're only showing to the right areas. Also, things to avoid: Google suggestions. It pops up constantly in your account, and you'll even get calls from Google reps. It's just a giant call center. They all read the same script. They're generally just wanting you to spend more money, add broad match keywords, which typically you'll do phrase and exact with manufacturing PPC ads. They're just trying to get you to spend more money. Same thing with what pops up in your account. Most of it's really terrible advice, and you can ignore it. For manufacturing also, there's a campaign type called Performance Max. There's another one called Demand Gen. There's another one called Display Ads. These ones, they're not the most effective for manufacturing because they just blast it out to everywhere. So Gmail, YouTube, banner ads, a little bit of search. It crisscrosses so much, and it doesn't give you nearly as much data. You can test it if you have a larger budget, but search ads you can show for specific keywords and nothing else. So it's much more profitable. And then tracking: make sure you have Google Analytics on your website. You're tracking all the forms that are submitted, so you know which leads came from your ads. Call tracking: so any inbound calls, you can tell which ads turn into calls. Check your search terms report regularly. Block out all the junk that's wasting money. And of course, keep Google Analytics connected to Google Ads so you can tell exactly what is the most profitable from digital marketing. Now, manufacturers doing digital marketing have a lot of options, and the other ones aren't necessarily bad, but we found that Google ads, or also called PPC ads for manufacturing, are the most profitable we've found for our clients. So if you have more questions, post them in the comments below, or you can click on the link to our website. Be happy to do a free audit, free strategy session to talk more about how Google ads can benefit your manufacturing company. So just post the comments below, and thanks for watching.